So today is day 3, 4? Where are we at? Day 3. It's actually day 4, but I'm recording for day 3. So let's just call it day 3 and 4 mixed into one because we're a little behind. But today I'm at Liquid Earth. Trying some of their raw food. I ordered me some raw tacos and also ordered raw pizza. So this should be interesting because it's a little bit different from just eating a salad. So I can't wait to see what it's like. So, like I was saying before, it's day 4, completely raw, still raw, having fun with it. I guess I can check back in with the energy levels, let you know about the energy. Energy is phenomenal. My poops don't stink. What else can I say? Like this journey has really been fun. I'm losing a lot of weight too. I lost about 5 pounds in 4 days. Not too sure how healthy that is. Nah, I'm just joking. It's healthy as fuck. You're gonna feel good. I hope you guys are doing it along with me. If not, I hope you do it in your own time. 21 days seem like a long time, but now that I'm at day 4, it's like it's not so bad. You know what I'm saying? I made it home. This angle might be a little weird. Still didn't buy a wide angle lens yet, but so I got my raw pizza. I can't wait to try that. And I got my tacos, my raw tacos, or burritos, whatever you want to call it. So I've been waiting to try this. Let me take those off. The crust is really interesting. Wow, that's actually pretty good. Sorry, I guess I fixed it. Maybe I'm too far out now, who knows? I'm sorry, but this raw pizza is pretty good. I got this down at Liquid Earth in Baltimore. So that's not bad. I thought this whole challenge was gonna be like, I don't know. I thought I was really gonna be missing out on a lot. Now I can't say that this gives me a pizza fix, but it's a lot different than a freaking salad. Or fruit. Because that stuff is starting to get old. I'm gonna try that. So, it said it was some sort of nut meat. Grow up. A nut meat inside of a cauliflower. Inside of a collard green, inside of romaine lettuce. So let's see how this thing stacks up. That's pretty good. That's pretty damn good. That is not bad. Liquid Earth, you guys help me get through this 21-day challenge. There's a place in DC that I'm also going to hit over the weekend, probably on Tuesday. No, I'm sorry, not Tuesday. I said weekend, Sunday. I can't wait to try it out and see what it's like. I could really sit here and eat this whole thing. Comes with a salsa. It has like a sour creamish sauce in here. It's pretty good. It's not bad. Hey baby. Oh, my baby's right here. You gonna come with? It's really not bad though, man. She just shook her head behind the camera. She says, you'll eat anything. And I'm like, I won't eat any old thing. But this, compared to eating salads and shit all day, this right here is really good. Their walnut meat and their sour cream sauce is really, really good. Who would have knew wrapping it in a collard green will make it all that much better. So, I guess I'm not really a big fan of the stem. The stem part is a little crunchy. But that meat is really good. My gosh. I'll tell you, this is good. This is actually good. You can tell when if it's good or not if you actually see somebody sitting there eating. These flavors. So if I learn how to make all this type of stuff, I probably can go vegan. Not vegan. I'm already vegan. I probably can do raw vegan full time. I have a buckwheat crust, I believe is what he called it. So, I hope you guys plan to do this challenge. I'm not gonna sit here and mukbang this whole thing. I was just kind of checking in, letting you guys know where I was at with it. Let me know how you guys do. If you're gonna do the challenge. I'll probably just start doing the vlogs every like 2 to 3 days, because every day is starting to get a little tough. But if you want me to keep doing them every day, just tell me in the comments. If I get 3 people to say every day, I'll do it every day, because that's how I get down. Love you guys. Eat grass, not ass. Until the next video, peace out.